Test your grammar. Number 1, Sam and I hardly blank last night. A, noticed. B, notices. C, noticed. Ang clue sa sentence nito ay ang pariralang last night. Kapag nakikita natin yung mga salita at mga parirala kagaya ng yesterday, earlier, last night, last week, etc. Past simple at ang gagamitin nating verb ay verb to nasa past tense. So, ang isasagot natin dito ay letter C kasi siya lang naman ang nasa past tense. Number 2, my father blank every day yet he keeps on telling my cousins to quit the habit. A, smoke, B, smokes, or C, smoking. Alin kaya ang dapat na isagot? Alisin natin letter C kasi hindi siya ang sagot. Ginagamit natin yung may ing or gerund form ng ating verb na smoke, na smoking, kung meron siyang kasamang is, are, was, or were, or helping verbs. Ang sagot natin dito ay letter B, smokes. Singular ang ating subject, yung father. That's why may S dapat ang verb, smokes. Habit. Number 3, Betty as well as the girls from the cheering squad blank every afternoon. Ang pinaka-pinag-uusapan natin dito ay si Betty at hindi yung girls. I-disregard natin yung girls dahil hindi naman yun ang pinag-uusapan. Ang pinaka-pinag-uusapan ay si Betty. Share your answer. Test your grammar. Subject and verb agreement. The list of finalists blank announced over the radio. A or B? Tandaan ang has been ginagamit natin para sa iisahang simuno. Ang have been ginagamit natin sa dalawa o higit pang mga simuno. Sa ating pangungusap, ang pinaka-pinag-uusapan ay yung list or listahan. Isa lang ang bilang niya. Hindi mo dapat pagtuunan ng pansin yung object of the preposition na finalists dahil itong prepositional phrase na of finalists ay nagbibigay lamang ng information doon sa listahan. Anong uri ng listahan? Of finalists. Dahil isa lang ang simuno, gagamitin mo ay has been. A. Number 5 reads, the members of the band blank practicing earlier. A, was, B, were. The members of the band. So, dalawang nakakalito, yung members at saka yung band. Ano ba talaga? Singular or plural? Siyempre, kagaya ng pinaliwanag sa number 4, kailangan hindi papansinin yung prepositional phrase after the real subject. Ang pinaka-subject natin or pinaka-pinag-usapan ay yung members. Ilan ba ang members? Marami, plural. Ang gagamitin mo ay were. The members of the band were practicing earlier. Number 6, neither her shoes nor her bag blank her suit. A, match, B, matches. Can you guess these photos? Let's try this one. This is a hangnail. We call this a hangnail. This is a right, cleft chin. We call it a cleft chin. How about the next one? This is a correct dimple. How about the next one? This is an earlobe. Can you guess the next one? This is a nape. We call this nape in English. This is a temple. A temple. How about the next one? This is a navel. How about the next one? Right. These are crow's feet. We call these crow's feet. And guess this last one. This is a... Share your answer in the comments. Test your grammar. Number 1. I wish I blank a bit taller. A, am, B, were. A is used for present tenses. Meanwhile, were is used in past tenses, but we also use it in conditional statements. The answer is B. Wish is your clue in this sentence. The word wish indicates a conditional statement. I wish I were a bit taller. Number 2. There was a fight blank 3 boys yesterday after school. A, between, B, among. The clue in this sentence is the phrase 3 boys. Between is used for 2 things, meanwhile among is used for more than 2. The answer is B, among. There was a fight among 3 boys yesterday after school. How about number 3? The book is blank the table. Is it in or on? Which preposition to use in this sentence? In is used for enclosed spaces. Meanwhile, on is used for flat surfaces. Which is the preposition to use in this sentence? Basic English Grammar Review with Learning Buddy. Has versus have.
Has is a singular helping verb which is used for the subjects he, it, she, and other singular nouns. Meanwhile, have is used for plural subjects and also to we, I, they, and you. Let's have these sentences. Number 1, he blank to meet you. Are we gonna use has or have? He is a singular pronoun. Has. Number 2, we blank an appointment. Plural, subject we. Have. Number 3, they blank a problem. They, plural, use the word have. Number 4, Sheldon blank a question. Sheldon is only one. Gender, male. He. Number 5, the remote controller blank no battery. Remote controller is only one. Singular. Use has. How about number 6, you blank a call from your company. Which one should be used? See you in the comments.